In today's video, I'll teach you one of the simplest and most effective methods of earning money online. It is quite simple since I have discovered a website that will pay you $400 for doing absolutely nothing, while utilizing another website that will perform all the work for you for free. The best part of the website is that you may work from home or from anywhere else at any time of day or night. It is also free and easy to use, and it offers the possibility of earning as much as $1,250 every month. However, you must set it up correctly in order to begin earning money while continuing to do the things that you enjoy, such as watching television or even going on vacation. Make sure to stay watching this video until the end. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. First things first, I'll be introducing to you a website called Proofreading Jobs. I want you to type in cjinc.info on your browser search bar. This will take you to the company's webpage. Now, CJINC provides a simple method of generating income online. You find online typing jobs for housewives, students, freelancers, and retirees on this website. Jobs that will actually allow you to work from home. CJINC is not an employer but a recruitment agency. They help people who are thrilled and skilled find jobs online and offline. As you can see on the homepage, it says that this website is available around the world. Those that thrive on change and challenge, as well as those who are innovative and confident, are wanted after by the company. A few hours each day spent in front of your computer working on small, time-bound, and hugely profitable jobs will be compensated. There are as many as 9 different job opportunities available at this company. That is a lot. There are a wide range of options here, from market research to typing jobs to proofreading to translation to advertising. But in this video, we're going to stick to just one job. That job will compensate you the most for the least amount of effort. There is a free bot that will do the work for you, but if it isn't enough to earn you money, you may work on this website and earn much more. Other people's testimonials can be found by scrolling down a bit further on this page. This girl is from the Philippines, as you can tell. Both of these people are from the United States and Canada. They use this website on a daily basis and make money from it. So as you can see, this is a global strategy that anyone can use to make money online, regardless of where they live. Now, since you know what CJ Inc. is all about, I want you to move your mouse on this career button located at the top of the homepage. This will bring you to a new page with all the online jobs that the company offers, and of course, they also have provided short descriptions on how your work will be and how much you will be earning per job. Now, as I previously stated, we'll only focus on one job for this website because that job is able to run on its own. These are the online proofreading jobs. That's what online proofreading jobs are all about. You will be able to earn between $5 and $10 each 1,000 words written here. You will only be responsible for fixing grammatical or typographical issues, as well as factual inaccuracies. It may seem intimidating that you will be proofreading 1,000 words, however, you don't have to be worried about it. You won't be doing anything on your own because I have discovered a free bot that will take care of everything for you. No prior knowledge of English is required, nor is fluency in the language required. The process will be explained to you step by step. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. From the time being, all you have to do is click on the online proofreading job option right here. It will send you to this page where you will be able to find out more information about the position that you are applying for. One of the things they described in detail is the nature of the job. They collaborate with clients and business partners on proofreading projects. You are free to choose the media that allows you to proofread the most thoroughly. Another point to mention is the pay rate for the job. Again, you can earn $5 to $10 per 1,000 words that you proofread. However, rates are determined by the nature of the work and the level of accuracy required, and you will be compensated on a per-piece basis by clients or partners. After browsing the page, when you fully understand the information regarding the job, look for this orange button right here that says Apply for Jobs and click on it. From here, click on this application form link right here to get started on being a part of a fast-growing, diverse, and talented global team. You can see on this page the registration form that you will need to fill out to start working here. First things first, from the drop-down arrow, select the Proofreading Jobs option, since again, we can do this on autopilot. Next, type in your full name, email address, date of birth, and you will be asked to input your gender, marital status, contact number, and also from which country are you from. Next, you need to select your current profession status here. I strongly advise that you select employed and freelancer because this will distinguish you as a professional and allow them to send you more employment opportunities. As for what hours you are available to work, I want you to select both of these first two boxes and select the option multiple companies for the question about who are you comfortable to work with, because this will increase the number of job opportunities you will receive from this website. You will also be given the option to choose what payout method you want. They offer payment methods like PayPal, electronic fund transfer, and checks. You must first check this box before proceeding to the final step, which will be to sign your name right here. After that, all you have to do is click on the Submit button. Once you've completed the registration process, your application form will be assessed by the company's recruitment team, who specializes in matching jobs to your skill area. If your application has been accepted, you have successfully registered to work with this website, and you will begin receiving job offers through your email address shortly thereafter. Here's an illustration of one of those proofreading jobs. This is how it will appear. As you can see, this is an article, and you are responsible for correcting any grammatical errors. The first thing you must do is copy the complete contents of the article, select all the text here, and then click on the copy button. Following that, you should visit the website called SlickWrite. Using SlickWrite, you can easily check your writing for grammar errors, potential stylistic mistakes, and other aspects of interest. This is fast and completely free. All your grammatical errors will be fixed by this bot, and it will do all the work for you. To get started, click on this Start Writing button right here. Simply paste the full content that you just copied in from the box and click on the check icon up here to proceed. After a few moments, you will notice that everything has been corrected for you. The correct text can be copied and resubmitted onto CJINC website with no additional effort on your part. You can repeat this process as many times as you want and make as much money as you want. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.